Do it.
No, this dude, Asian dude, he wants to do the same thing. He wants to start
Can you do? That's only. You can only do
his
one.
own program.
Want me to do more?
Yeah.
Enough kids to start a team and people that want to fucking do this shit.
Do it.
That's money.
Snoop Dogg smoke.
Just one? Oh, that's two.
Hopefully.
Do another one.
I know, bro.
Hey, he'll ran into that healthy shit.
But he's doing them. That's three.
3 corn cobs. That ain't.
Where the hell is he set that bar
Let me
up?
see. Let me see Ryan do another one.
Who's he set that bar up?
Hey, Homer.
Babe, do another one.
I fucking...
Babe, do one.
What do you...
I'm gonna make these up.
Don't want no more about
Smash
me.
me no more. Please don't
No,
smack
actually,
me.
no. Hey, like I said,
Can you believe that Homer fucking smacked me? Okay, Ryan's gonna attempt to do 20 half pull-ups like I do.
Do it.
Ryan says I'm 240.
You can do maybe about as much as I do.
Why do you guys
See, I
shake?
can't even do that.
Why do you guys shake like that?
Stop!
What? You can't do that?
Why do you guys shake like that?
What? See, that's stupid.
You can't do that?
No, you know what? You know what?
That's
These
pretty
guys
sad.
are
Why do you guys
fucking
shake like that?
chumps for that, dude.
Why do you guys shake back and forth like that? What does that
That's
mean?
not shaking. That's the Concord pull-up.
Whatever. They just want more.
Okay, let me see you do that shaky thing, Dar.
Do the corn
Do
cob.
the shaky thing.
Hey, sorry, I'm not fucking. I'm
Okay,
not
well then
trying to be fucking athlete no more. I'm
do a real push-up then.
That's fucking.
Do a real pull-up then.
Overall strength.
Dar, do the full pull-up.
Right I got a blind neighbor.
Stop. Hit the blunt and do a corn cob pull-up.
Yeah.
At least 3 corn cobs.
Yeah.
3. You have to do at least 3.
Turn it off. All right,
Homer took off his
cut.
shirt.